Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we will be doing a DIY pen holder with a tin and some popsicles. So if you want to learn how to do this beautiful pen holder, keep on watching. So for this you will need a tin, some popsicles, a hot glue gun and some decorative pieces as well as a string. Start by gluing one by one the popsicles around the tin. Once you're done, tie a tight string around it and let it be overnight. Then untie it and decorate it the way you want. And tada! You're done. It is as easy as I'm telling you guys. You just have to be very careful with the length. Make sure that each popsicle is well placed and then tie it really strong so that all of them get set together. So yeah, it was as easy as I just mentioned to you guys. It was done in like 5 to 10 minutes. I found it really beautiful. And who thought a tin and a popsicle could do this? I really like it. It is as if I bought it from the store. Indeed, this is the real beauty of DIY. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below if you're going to try it out. And also do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the little notification bell to be notified every time a video comes up. And also please take care till next. See you guys soon.